In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add US30 in MetaTrader 5 on your laptop or PC. Whether you're new to trading or just getting familiar with MetaTrader 5, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as seamless as possible for you. First things first, you need to open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Ensure that it's installed correctly and that you've logged into your account. If this is your first time opening MetaTrader 5, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it quickly as we proceed. Once you've opened MetaTrader 5, the next thing you want to look for is the MarketWatch window. This is a crucial part of the application because it displays all the available financial instruments. The MarketWatch window is usually on the left side of your screen. However, if for some reason you can't see it, you can access it by going to the View menu at the top of the screen and clicking on MarketWatch. Now that you've located the MarketWatch, you'll want to right-click anywhere within this window. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, look for and select Symbols. Opening up Symbols here essentially allows you to explore and customize which instruments are visible on your MarketWatch list. Once you've opened the Symbols dialog, you need to find and expand the CFD category, which stands for Contracts for Difference. To expand this, simply click on the small plus icon or double-click the CFD label. This reveals a list of all the different CFDs available in your MetaTrader 5 platform. Now, you should see a list that includes US30. US30 is essentially the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, a popular instrument among traders. Locate US30 from the list, and once you find it, double-click it. This action adds US30 to your MarketWatch list. You'll also notice that the gray color of the icon will change. This is an indicator that the instrument has been successfully added. And there you have it. US30 is now displayed in your MarketWatch. You can now double-click on US30 within the MarketWatch window whenever you want to trade or analyze it further. With these easy and simple steps, you've successfully added US30 to your MetaTrader 5 platform. If you follow these instructions, it should take you no more than a few minutes. Remember, practice makes perfect. So the more you navigate and explore MetaTrader 5, the more comfortable you'll become.